I know you've heard me talk about this fragrance a whole lot, guys, but today we're going to be talking about another one from the Icon collection. That's 06, guys, Black Platinum. Stay tuned. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Joshua as always, and this is your channel, Scentsense. To all my loyal subscribers and the subscribers that are still trickling in every day, guys, thank you so much and welcome aboard. To all you new viewers, guys, maybe this is the very first time you're checking out the channel, maybe it's not, but guys, stick around for a while. You're gonna enjoy it, I promise. Today we're gonna be talking about a fragrance from the Icon collection line from Banana Republic. The fragrance we're talking about is a fragrance that was based off of the year 2006, a year in America's history where fashion started to creep out of the horrible fashion that was the 90s, started to creep into the 2010s. It was a new time, an exciting time in our nation. Banana Republic tried to encapsulate that, guys, and they tried to do that with this fragrance here. The fragrance we're talking about, guys, is Banana Republic's Black Platinum. Nothing special about the box, guys. They have the exact same box for every single one of the fragrances from the Icon collection. The only difference is here you'll see a black strip. That's the only difference. Black indicating Black Platinum, white for Pure Right, green for Vintage Green. I think you get the point. It's a pretty nice box for such a cheap fragrance. Not cheap in quality based on most of the Banana Republic fragrances, but definitely cheap on the pocket. As you can see, it's got a recessed box. Wanna be niche, guys? Fragrance sits inside the little plastic container. There it is, guys. As always, guys, we don't care. Before I go any further, guys, this fragrance was actually sent to me by maxaroma.com. Maxaroma.com is a website that you can buy fragrances from, kind of like FragranceNet. They're trying to fill in the void that was created by the massive crater, the dusty divot, if you will, of Notino.com. RIP. Of course, guys, I am no Max Aroma fanboy. I do not get paid for this, guys. All the money I make is from the great AdSense money I get, guys. All $136 in a calendar year. Yay! That was a bit of sarcasm, guys. This fragrance was sent to me free, but I'm gonna tell you exactly what I think about it, and I'm not gonna pull any punches. If I were to describe this fragrance really simply, guys, it's a wannabe Amen. Amen from the Terra Mugler line is the original fragrance that started the kickoff of the shiny, plastic, rubbery bottles with the horrible sprayer. This original DNA courses through the veins of every single flanker, from pure coffee to pure tonka to pure leather, pure malt, pure blah, pure this, pure that, pure all the pures and all the crypto mints and those. Now that we're done with that, back to this guy. This fragrance, guys, tries to do what that does. And no offense to either fragrance, I think they both smell like garbage. I bought Amen based on curiosity, basically also because I own Crypto Mint, the best flanker, Pure Malt, and Pure Havana. I blind bought it off of somebody from one of the fragrance groups, and it was definitely a regretful buy. Lucky for me, I didn't buy this, and lucky for you, I'm telling you, don't buy this. This fragrance reminds me of that uncle, you know, he's the button-down shirt, but it's buttoned to only like right here, and he's got the neck meat coming out with the kinked up gold, chain in there. He's like, "Hey nephew, how's it going, guy?" He thinks he's really cool, tells you about all the hot girls he picks up. He's got a vet parked outside, and he thinks he's cool because he has it, but it's most likely an 06 model, making it 12 years old. It's beat up, it runs like crap, one fender's a different color. You get the point. Even though this fragrance says it's 06 and that would make that year dated, this fragrance smells much older. This smells like something that an older gentleman would wear, and I wouldn't even suggest this to someone like my father or anyone that age. The reason I'm such a hard critic is because this fragrance right here is much better than that one, and the Rolly Woods and Cypress Cedar are also much better. When it comes to the Icon collection from the first revision and now the second new one, the only fragrance that smells worse than this fragrance, in my opinion, is Leather Reserve. Max Aroma was also nice enough to send me these little travel atomizers. One is Cypress Cedar, also got Linen Vetiver, and the Rolly Woods. Unfortunately, guys, none of these fragrances are available anywhere online except at Max Aroma, and the only other place you can get it is in store. For some odd reason, Banana Republic, in their infinite wisdom, thinks it's a wise decision to only have it at their flagship stores, and some of them don't even have them. And some of them who do have them, that have the Icon collection, don't have the newest releases such as Cypress Cedar or Neroli Woods. Lucky for me, I bought both of these guys. I got my hands on them, and I'll review them very soon. If there's one that you want to hear about in particular, either Cypress Cedar or Neroli Woods, go ahead and leave a comment below, guys, as soon as you get a chance, and let me know which one you want to know about. As for this bottle, guys, I know I trashed it, but guess what? Some of you may want to smell like Uncle Rico. Some of you may want to throw a football over those mountains and definitely want to win the state championship, guys. Maybe you want to live in a van down by the river on the side of a hill and watch Tina eat a quesadilla. But for me, no bueno. I'd like to thank Max Aroma for giving me the opportunity to go ahead and review this fragrance. They didn't give me a special coupon code, but I'm pretty sure if you lurk around and look at other people's reviews of Neroli Woods and Cypress Cedar and Linden Vetiver, you'll probably see a coupon code. So Max Aroma, sorry if I upset you, but here at Scentsense, if it's trash, we say it's trash. So keeping in the spirit of paying it forward, anyone who wants this fragrance and wants to give it a try for themselves and maybe live that Uncle Rico fantasy, go ahead and leave a comment below letting me know which one of those two fragrances you want to see me review next, and this bad boy is yours. As I just said, leave a comment below telling me which one of those two fragrances you want to hear about, and I'll definitely oblige when it comes to the one that gets the most votes. If you like the video, go ahead and like the video. If you don't, guys, I understand. Go ahead and share the video with your family and friends, maybe on Facebook or something like that, and let them see what we got going over here at the Scentsense channel. While you're at it, go ahead and subscribe. That way, whenever my new videos drop, it'll drop directly in your feed. And if you want to take it one step further, go ahead and click the notification bell. That way you will be the first to know. Thank y'all so much for stopping by. I hope y'all enjoyed this fun review. As always, I'll smell you later, guys. Peace!
Like the cool blue light.